Breath is moving through our feet. Not a rhythm, not a rule, just the air that keeps us cool. Breath is rising soft and slow. Let it guide where we don't know. We don't chase, we don't refrain. Just expand with every frame. Every gap between each tone tells us we are not alone. Silence isn't made to break. It's the pulse we love to take. Let it drift and fill the space. Breath haze gives the calmest pace. Breath phases in soft and slow. Let it guide where we don't know. We don't chase, we don't refrain. Just expand with every frame. dissolve in every note. Deep without down, slow and wide, no direction left to guide. We just spiral in the sound, lost but never truly found. Thoughts expand and then release. Even stillness finds its peace. Far from surface, far from known, but we've never felt more home. Let it take us, don't resist. Deep is not a fall, it's drift. Deep without down, slow and wide, no direction left to guide. We just spiral in the sound, lost but never truly found. No goodbyes, no need to close. Only sounds the stillness chose. Every tone begins to bend. Not a star, just not pretend. Let it blur, don't count the beat. Echo fades but feels complete. Echo fade out soft and slow. Not erased but made to go. Every wave that once was loud now just floats beneath the cloud. feels all wrong. Tilted minds and tilted sky, spinning rhythm, float and fly. Gentle tones begin to swell, not too loud, but you can tell. Something stirs beneath the skin, rising from a place within. Every whisper starts to shine, soft echo rising over time. Soft echo rise, not meant to break, only moves for feeling's sake. We don't shout, we just arrive in the place where sounds alive. Even air begins to bend, every note becomes a friend. No crescendo, no real end, just a rise we don't defend. Let it lift and drift above, soft echo rises made of love. Soft echo rise, not meant to break, only moves for feeling's sake. We don't shout, we just arrive in the place where sounds alive.
Moonlit breeze, moonlit breeze. the sky, drenched in silver, you and I. Every drop a whispered word, in the silence we are heard. Moonlit rain falls so slow, moonlit rain, let it flow. Moonlit rain, dark and sweet, moonlit rain, hearts that beat. Take me where the raindrops fall, moonlit rain, give it all. Moonlit rain falls so slow, moonlit rain, let it flow. Moonlit rain, dark and sweet, moonlit rain, hearts that meet. Take me where the raindrops fall, moonlit rain, give it all.
Velvet smoke in whispered curls, lost inside your secret worlds, flickering in candlelight, dancing shadows in the night. Velvet smoke, take my breath. Velvet smoke, close to death. Velvet smoke, soft and clear, draw me ever closer near, wrap me in your smoky haze. Velvet smoke, endless days. Velvet smoke, take my breath. Velvet smoke, close to death. Velvet smoke, soft and clear, draw me ever closer near, wrap me in your smoky haze. Velvet smoke, endless days. reflections, fractured light. Obsidian dreams take flight. Darkness wraps around our skin, lost inside when night begins. Obsidian dream, pull me in. Obsidian dreams, let's begin. Obsidian dreams, soft and deep. In your arms I fall asleep. Whisper low and hold me close. Obsidian dreams, I love the most. Glass reflections, fractured light. Obsidian dreams take flight. Darkness wraps around our skin, lost inside when night begins.